Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Toyota Yaris headlights. First, park your Yaris on a flat, level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this impacts headlight aim. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape to complete this task accurately and efficiently. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your low-beam headlights. Transfer this measurement to the wall and mark it with tape. Now, find the vertical adjustment screw on the back of each headlight unit. Turn this screw to lower the top edge of the low beam pattern to 3.5 inches below your wall mark. After adjusting the vertical aim, check if your Yaris headlights have a horizontal adjustment screw. If so, fine-tune it to center the beam. Both headlight patterns should appear symmetrical on the wall. Finally, take your Yaris for a short drive on a dark, safe road to confirm the new headlight aim provides optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Before you finish, double-check all your adjustments to ensure everything is secure and properly aligned. Confirm that your headlights now illuminate the road effectively, providing clear visibility for safe driving. For a fresh car interior, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.